Our products really stand out because we use absolutely the top of the line raw materials that we can find in the industry. We specially design the raw materials, we bring them from all corners of the earth, and we build and handcraft the best off-grid solar panels you can find. Hi guys, I'm Conor Miller, Zamp Solar. I've been with the company for over 8 years. I started with Zamp to build out our USA product and our manufacturing facilities, and I'm now currently running the business under the Dometic umbrella. We really specialize in premium off-grid solar products. We build those right here in Bend, Oregon. We build complete kits with charge controllers, an array of solar products, both fixed roof installed solar panels and portable panels. What we're really proud of at Zamp Solar with our US manufacturing capabilities is that we're able to innovate in off-grid solar where most people can't. When you're completely relying on overseas production, you can't make design tweaks, you can't rapid produce new ideas and innovate on the product. Over the last 5 years, we've been innovating to specifically build the best off-grid solar panel products in the industry. Through that innovation, we've come up with things like the Obsidian series. What we came up with was a solar module that is 30% lighter than your standard module. It's 19 millimeters high, very thin, has an aerodynamic frame, which honestly just makes a sexy product, especially when it's on top of the roof. And these products are extremely rigid, vibration resistant, shade resistant. We have custom junction boxes, custom wire harnesses, fusing, custom everything. We really threw out the model of a solar panel, started from scratch, and innovated from the ground up to build the best off-grid solar panel you can buy. Yeah, Touareg recently has joined our Obsidian line, and it's a perfect product combination, specifically the 90-watt long, which was designed for tough spaces where we can optimize the solar charge in a really small space for our roof mount systems, as well as Touareg's been using our sidewall port to be able to leverage the Obsidian portable series. The hybrid system of having both a portable and roof mounted is absolutely perfect for off-grid living. We've heard about Touareg for years, but we love the high quality and the big builds that Touareg has been doing. And we knew early on that that was a partner we wanted to be doing business with. That's our ethos here at Zamp Solar. So Touareg builds a high quality product. We pride ourselves in building absolutely the highest quality product. It's a perfect fit to be working with Touareg. Zamp continues to really invest in AR&D, right? Advanced research and development, specifically for this off-grid lifestyle. We love it, we're living it ourselves. Our employees are out there, weekend warriors, when we're not here in the office building product. And so we have some exciting stuff coming around the corner, both in advanced MPPT, as well as teaming up with the broader innovations that the Dometic family now brings to our mix. Really pumped. I wish I could talk about where we're headed, but all I can say is we're really excited with the partnership with Touareg. The future is extremely bright, especially in solar and especially in off-grid vehicles. We have a lot of innovations around the corner, and our partnership with Touareg has a really bright future.